Good day everyone, I'm Pat Aguilar from CNC Realty, ang kapartner mo sa real estate. Ito ang Jasmine Single Attach. Upon entry ng unit, we have living area, dining area, and toilet and bath. Include na rin ang shower, tiles, and sink. And kitchen area. Dito naman sa likuran, we have 2-meter setback for service area and laundry area. Ito naman ang car park and additional room for future expansion. As you can see po, yung hollow blocks, buhos po ang gawa at matibay. Matibay ang ating pader. At pwede pa natin to expand up to 3 bedroom. And nasa likuran ko ang sample expansion ng ating Jasmine para mabigyan natin ng idea si client kung paano pagandahin ang Jasmine Single Attach. Tara! So, what are you waiting for? Meron kami sa Cavite, Batangas, Rizal, at Pampanga. Available to sa Pag-ibig at bank financing. Muli, I'm Pat, ang kapartner mo sa real estate. See you home buyers! Schedule your tripping today!